Hi, I'm Bob Davis. I want to share with you how I get extremely steady, in focus, sharp photographs using my 600mm lens. I often use it with a tele-extender, a 1.4 or a 2x, which can effectively take my 600mm lens from 600 to 840 or 1200 millimeters respectively. So let's get the lens out of the bag. I'm using a Mindshift bag and the Canon EOS R3. So this is the 600mm EF with the RF to EF adapter. Now we want to balance this right on our tripod. So what I like to do is have the gimbal accessories on my right hand so I could reach up and grab the knobs and adjust them with my right hand. The whole idea of a gimbal is that it's extremely steady and it gets out of your way, meaning it's fluid, it moves, there's no restriction to you at all. But one of the things you really want to do is balance the lens on the gimbal. And what that means is we're going to loosen up the tilt. And as you can see, if I let go of the camera, it's going to drop down. So what we want to do on this slide plate is loosen the securing knob, and the plates are numbered, and we just want to get that perfectly balanced. So if I let go, the camera will stay perfectly balanced. So there I went a little bit too much and it's front heavy. So I'm going to come back and just get it right about here. And now we are balanced. So I can let go of the camera, and no matter where I put it, it's going to stay balanced. If I push it up, if I keep it down, and also it makes it just so fluid for getting those steady shots of birds in flight.